Just 3 ingredients. Yes, that's all you need for this amazing potato recipe. Here in my pot, I'm going to add 3 medium potatoes cut into cubes. I already peeled them well, and next, I add 1 generous teaspoon of salt. Now I add enough water to completely cover all the pieces of potato I cut. I turn on the heat and let the potatoes cook for about 15 minutes, or until they're soft when pierced with a fork. Then I turn off the heat and drain the potatoes very well, removing all the water so it doesn't affect the dough's texture. The potatoes are now well drained and without excess water. Now I place them in this large tray, and with a potato masher, I mash them very well until I get a firm and smooth mashed potato texture. They're well mashed now and at the ideal consistency. At this point, I add 2 whole eggs to the mash. I'm using 2 fresh, high-quality eggs. With the potatoes still hot, I start mixing the eggs quickly, so they blend well and make the mash smoother and with a nice texture. Mix with a spatula or even with a spoon. What matters is that everything is well incorporated. I've already mixed well and the eggs are fully blended into the potatoes. The mash is now creamier and has a lovely shine. Now I add shredded mozzarella cheese, although you can also use sliced or chopped mozzarella. All versions work really well in this recipe. Mix again until the cheese is fully combined with the mash. Stir until the cheese is melted and completely incorporated into the dough. I've already mixed all the ingredients, and the result is a dough that's firm, creamy, and full of flavor. Now I just take 1 heaping tablespoon of the mixture. The size can vary depending on your preference. I place it directly in a hot skillet with a bit of olive oil so it gets nicely golden. These potato and cheese patties are truly delicious and very easy to make. They're already in the skillet, cooking carefully. Just wait for them to get nicely golden on one side, until a golden and crispy crust forms. One side is already golden, so now I flip them to brown the other side too. And look how nice and golden it is, especially thanks to the cheese. Plus, the smell is amazing. Try it at home, I'm sure you're going to love it. Now I let the other side brown until it's at the same point. Now they're golden on both sides. They turned out perfectly golden and just right. I carefully remove them from the skillet and place them directly on the plate, ready to serve. They're perfect for a snack or as a side dish. You can make as many as you need depending on your needs. And if you prefer, you can also freeze the dough and prepare them during the week whenever you want. Now all that's left is to enjoy these cheesy potato patties.